the Buzz Fuzzy. Today we have a special guest with us. Before we delve into the hot topics buzzing online, could you please introduce yourself?
Hi everyone, I'm Michelan Sanchez from Cebu Institute of Technology University.
Okay, hi there. How are you?
I'm good. How are you
Okay,
too?
I'm good too. Spill the tea. What's your immediate reaction when you stumbled upon the viral video of the girl venting about 500 allowance on Tofu's child?
My immediate reaction is I can't believe it because for me the girl is so ungrateful of the unsayang na dawat gikan siyang papa so okay.
And how do you think the public has been reaching to this drama online? Are they team dad, team girl, or just shaking their heads in disbelief?
Based sa kung mga nabasa na comments under sa video is mostly sa mga people is they're on the side of the dad. Kay Louis sa ang dad nga kanang tarong sa hatag og sustento para sa ang anak niya. Di pa tortura ba siya.
How about you? Which sides are you?
For me, like, I don't take sides because I'm in no place na nakabaw sa unsa ka ng whole story nga nang sila sa inyo.
Yes, of course. And there's been a lot of finger pointing and judgment thrown around. So what's your take on the criticism directed towards the girl? And did she deserve it or was it blown out proportion?
For me, like, di ko kagaingon na deserve sa babae ang iyahang ang mga nadawat niya kay wala sa ko kabaw sa ilang whole story nga nung ako sila ato.
I agree. All right, let's zoom out a bit. So, what do you think this whole viral incident says about society's attitude towards family dynamics and money matters?
For me, like, first dapat nila gibuhat is nag-talk sila publicly since family matter man siya. And then, for the girls that kay dapat grateful siya na bisan gamay man lang na kay kahatagihang pag.
Yes. For the last question, what do you hope people take away from this drama? And any lessons to be learned or changes in perspective to be had?
And for me, sa mga sa mga viewers sa kay dili taw mo jump into conclusion dayon kay wa matakabaw sa ilang whole story nga nang abot sila sa ilang atong situation.
All right, that's a wrap. And thank you, Miss Sanchez, for guesting for today. And again, this is the Buzz Fuzzy. Thank you for tuning in into the Buzz Fuzzy. Today, it's been a pleasure discussing the viral video drama with you. Remember, these online incidents often reflect broader societal issues. So let's use them as opportunities for reflection and growth. Until next time, stay curious and keep buzzing with excitement. Goodbye!